Hi, thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to teach you how to do the Ganesha Kriya, which is a Kriya that can make the impossible possible. We like that. We're just going to work with our fingers. We're going to bring our fingers into action on our fingertips. Just like this. This is the Kriya. Touching each fingertip one at a time in order. Sa, ta, na, ma. Ra, ma, da, sa. Sa, se, so, hung. This Kriya works on the frontal lobe and the roof of the mouth. These are two areas in the body that we want to be conditioning. We want to make sure that we have all of the nerves activated in the upper part of our mouths, as well as that frontal lobe nice and healthy. This is the way that we're going to be able to kind of decrease any negative past karma through this Kriya. This Kriya is an amazing tool also to open your heart. And we always want to go about life with an open heart. So we're touching our fingertips using each word from the chant. So close your eyes, gaze at the third eye. Let's begin. On the inhale. Sa, ta, na, ma. Ra, ma, da, sa. Sa, se, so, hung. Sa, ta, na, ma. Ra, ma, da, sa. Sa, se, so, hung. Sa, ta, na, ma. Ra, ma, da, sa. Sa, se, so, hung. Quieter. Sa, ta, na, ma. Ra, ma, da, sa. Sa, se, so, hung. Sa, ta, na, ma. Ra, ma, da, sa. Sa, se, so, hung. Sa, ta, na, ma. Ra, ma, da, sa. Sa, se, so, hung. Whisper. Sa, ta, na, ma. Ra, ma, da, sa. Sa, se, so, hung. Sa, ta, na, ma. Ra, ma, da, sa. Sa, se, so, hung. Sa, ta, na, ma. Ra, quietly speak. Sa, ta, na, ma, ra, ma, da, sa, sad, say, so, hung. Sa, ta, na, ma, ra, ma, da, sa, sad, say, so, hung. And louder. Sa, ta, na, ma, ra, ma, da, sa, say, so, hung. Sa, ta, na, ma, ra, ma, da, sa, say, so, hung. Sa, ta, na, ma, ra, ma, da, sa, say, so, hung. And one more time. Sa, ta, na, ma, ra, ma, da, sa, say, so, hung. Take a nice deep inhale. Suspend the breath. Apply the lock. Squeeze the lock. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. The energy all the way up your spine. Exhale. Inhale. Suspend the breath and move the body. Shake the body around. Keep the breath suspended. And exhale and inhale. Suspend. Apply the lock. Squeeze through all the chakras. Gaze at the third eye. And exhale and open your eyes. I hope this helped you. I hope you're going to be able to make the impossible possible. I'm sure you will. Please share with a friend, family member, share the love. And if you haven't subscribed, do so already. I'll see you next week. Bye for now.